In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Wix. If you want to make your website more visually appealing, adding images is one of the easiest and most effective ways to do it. In Wix, the process is very simple, and once you know where the image tools are, you can place photos on your page in just a few clicks. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. This is where you will make all of your design changes, including adding and arranging images on your page. Once your editor is open and your site is loaded, look to the left side of the screen. You will see a toolbar with several options for adding content to your website. From that left-hand panel, click Add Elements, which is the plus icon. This section contains different items you can place on your page, such as text, shapes, buttons, and images. After opening Add Elements, select Image. This will bring up the image options available for your site. Next, click Upload Images. Then choose Upload from Computer. This option lets you bring in an image file saved on your device. Browse to the folder where your image is stored, select the file you want to use, and then click Open. At this point, Wix will begin uploading the image. Give it a few seconds to complete. The exact time may vary depending on the file size and your internet connection. So just wait until the upload finishes and the image appears in your media selection. Once the upload is complete, select your uploaded image and click Add to Page. Wix will place the image directly onto your current page where you can begin adjusting its appearance and position. If the image doesn't land exactly where you want it, that's completely normal. You can click and drag it to move it into place. To change the size of the image, drag the handles around its edges. This allows you to resize it so it fits your layout better. As you adjust it, try to keep the image balanced with the rest of your page content so your design looks clean and professional. If needed, take a moment to line it up with nearby elements for a more polished result. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.